Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to yet another vlog. If you are new, hi, my name is Mimi, and yeah, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at curly memes. So this week we are vlogging. It is a Tuesday. I wanted to start this vlog yesterday, but I was not feeling well. Yeah, but I'm better now. Okay, so we are going to be working really hard this week, like literally very hard this week, but it's okay. I just wanted to show you guys all the I don't want to do unboxing because every single day of this vlog you're gonna see me wearing a different wig because I have about 4 wigs that 4 hair companies that I'm working with. This is the first hair company that I'm working with, a Cranberry hair company. This is the second company that I'm working with, Black Moon. I've worked with Black Moon before. I'm not sure if I've worked with Cranberry hair company, I'm not sure, but I know that I've worked with Black Moon hair company. This is Uni's hair. I think this is the first time I'm working with I've worked with Uni's hair before, but from Amazon. No, I think, yeah, AliExpress, I know that I've worked with them, but I'm not 100% sure. I will check. I don't know why I'm not an ambassador yet of this hair company, Love Me Hair Company. You all know that I've been working with Love Me Hair Company for like the longest, so I'm so grateful for that, and I'm so grateful for all these collabs that we are starting with this month of March. Let me go do shoot a hair tutorial for Black Moon Hair Company, and I'm pretty sure you're going to see this video tomorrow. Guys, I even forgot to update you guys. I am about to cook. I'm done with the theme. I'm shooting a video. I'm really not in the mood to go out today. I'm not gonna be going out anytime soon, okay? So yeah, this is the hair that I was reviewing, 30 inches. It's really huge. It's really beautiful, so I like the outcome. Oh, I'm so hungry. It's about 3:30 and I did not eat breakfast. The only thing that I did was drink coffee in the morning. So what I'm going to be doing now is I want to make a nice chicken stir fry. So that's what I'm going to be making, and of course you guys are going to be making it with me, okay? Because we're vlogging, okay? We're vlogging the whole week. So yeah, I will see you guys. I'm looking at myself, I'm like, who is this girl? Yes, in Black Moon's hair company. I really love the hair sham. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. So yeah guys, let's go make some stir fry.
I've tried everything. I try to call your phone several times, but you leave me with that busy tone. To be alone, it adds right through my bones. I can't believe, girl, that you left, that you're gone. I've tried to drink you, girl, away, but it seems like in my head you say, why couldn't we keep it? Lying in my bed, alone at home, I lay my head on your side and I feel your cologne. I miss you so, girl, I would like to know if you find somebody new, tell me how much chances blown. I tried to drink you, girl, away, but it seems like in my head you say, oh, what couldn't we keep it? Oh, like forever. Oh, 'cause you
guys, so today I'm not gonna be working, although I still have 2 more weeks to shoot. Yeah, I can see, I think it's Love Me Hair and Cranberry Hair, but it's not a problem. I decided to take a day off because a friend of mine asked me to help her out with her son's birthday. She's planning a mini, just a little cute birthday party for him. And yeah, she's at work now, so I am going to help her out with the party packs, and I still have to come back home and pack them. And I think it's about 10 o'clock now, and by 3 I should be done. So I'm hoping I'm gonna get everything done, like the party packs. Like, imagine I have to go get party packs, and I woke up very early, 6:30 I was up. I even texted her. I was so excited, and my mood just went boo. I don't know what's going on, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm trying to drink water. Okay, so that's what I have to do, and I have to go to Westpac as well and get some balloons for him. Let's go to China Mall. I have to go to China Mall, Checkers, and Westpac, and probably Crazy Store. Let's go.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
I'm so tired, guys. So I bought my little cute nephews these what do you call them, skateboards. The other one, actually, his birthday was in Feb. If I'm not mistaken, and I was not available. I think I went home, so now they're practically twins, so I had to buy like 2 of them, and I'm just gonna put them in these, wrap them nicely with the bow, and then put them in these birthday. I am sweating because of this ring light. But it is what it is. And so guys, basically in one party pack there'll be a juice, a packet of chips, and Smarties, and this little game. It is so cute, you guys. Yeah, so that's what's going to be inside the party pack. Let me show you how I'm going to pack them.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind.
What are we drinking? What I just asked you what
Anatandega also.
Didn't bring drinks today. Why are you spending alcohol? You can't even spend your name.
So I am going to, it is the next day by the way, I'm going to buy groceries, and yeah, I hope this vlog is going to make sense. This week's vlog, I hope it's gonna make sense when I edit it, because it seems like it's a little bit all over the place, but basically that's how my life was. Like, that's how my week was, you guys. Like, this week my life was a little bit of a mess. I had so much work to do, so, and I also wanted to take you guys with me, so I hope everything makes sense. Okay, so let's go buy groceries so that later on we can make dinner and close off this vlog. What a tourist.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head, don't feel much back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from my hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good.
Yesterday I came back and I literally forgot to close off the vlog because I was so tired and I was so hungry. Yeah, but I had such a good time yesterday, and yeah, that is me on a daily. I'm not super serious all the time. I'm actually never really serious. Yeah guys, I just wanted to come on here and close off today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching up until this far. I really do appreciate it. Yeah, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at curly memes. Yeah, until next time you guys, bye.